Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting direct SSH access and privileges. This is non-negotiable. Once connected, install a lightweight desktop and Zorg because Chrome Remote Desktop needs a display server. Make sure dbus and systemd user services are available so sessions can launch. If you use key-based auth, keep the connection open, otherwise set up an SSH tunnel. Also update packages and confirm you can sudo without a password, prompt for the install steps to run smoothly. Once done with prerequisites, fetch the Chrome Remote Desktop package and install it using your distro's package manager. You need sudo for this. Next, run the Chrome Remote Desktop host setup command that prints an authorization token. Copy that into the browser on your personal device to link the host. Make sure you edit the Chrome Remote Desktop session file to launch the same desktop environment you installed. Finally, enable and start the Chrome Remote Desktop service so it persists across reboots. To finish, confirm the service is active and visible in the web client. Check journal for Chrome Remote Desktop logs to see startup errors. If you can't connect, make sure the Chrome Remote Desktop process runs under the correct user, that display and dbus sockets are reachable, and that your desktop session starts without errors. If NAT or firewall blocks you, create an SSH tunnel or use a VPN. One key tip: inspect logs first. They usually tell you the precise failure reason.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.